This is Alex. Alex asked me and Anna if we wanted to help him with his short film. Obviously we said yes. But what he didn't know was that I was actually shooting my own little short film. And this was the perfect time for it. There are only a few things that truly matter in the world. I could list them all on each of my 5 fingers. But out of them, there's one that calls out the most. It's as much a part of us as the air that we breathe, but all the while entirely different. Life pulls our attention from object to object and place to place, and it's easy to get caught in the tides without really seeing what's important around us. There are so many crazy distractions and strange avenues to explore. We can get so caught up in our own pursuits, our own pride, desires, and ego, that we forget a very raw and really quite simple thing. That this world is meant to be shared and to be experienced through as many eyes as possible. Life is meant for us to come together and connect, to talk and communicate, to exchange feelings and emotions, and shift the angle of our perspectives. Life is really meant for friendship. Without it, everything else falls flat. It's easy to take our friends for granted. We sort of always expect them to be there, like a limb or the breath in our lungs, but it only takes a small shift, or a subtle change of current for them to disappear. And that I can tell you from experience. We begin to think and breathe and speak and laugh like the friends we love. A part of our hearts open to let them in, and in that space beyond time we share experiences through unspoken bonds. We share a world, we experience more than one. To have even one is something of extreme luck. You will see that they are the greatest gift life has to offer, greater than any dream or knowledge. A friend is the core of laughter and the heart of joy. Friendship is the bond of the living and the embrace of understanding. It is the intimacy of being seen for everything you are, you were and you will be. With a friend you know you'll never be judged, even when you judge yourself. And it is that reason that we still live.